Alright guys, so like me, you may have the ONN 4K Pro, but you are having trouble setting it up for the first time because you don't live in the US. Well, there is a workaround for that. You will need a laptop or a PC with a wireless connection. The best part is that it is easy and free, so let's dive in. So I tried setting it up with United States as well as other with my home Wi-Fi connection, and each time I get the unsupported region error message. So I'm just going to factory reset the device just to be on the safe side, and then we're going to head over to our PC or laptop. So the first thing we want to do here is click on Start and then type in Network, which should give us the View Network Connections option, and this will bring up this page. Now if you can't get to this page with this method, there is another way to get into it. So again, we're going to go to Start and type in Power, which will give us the option to go into PowerShell. Once here, we're going to type in ncpa.cpl, then enter, and we're back on the same page. So we can close PowerShell and then minimize this window, and then go to our web browser to tunnelbear.com. I will leave a link in the description. Then we're going to go to the download page. Now if it doesn't start downloading automatically, just click on here. I've got it already downloaded, so I'm not going to download it. So I'm just going to close the web browser and then go to my downloads folder and then run the installer. So we can leave the default directory and then click on install. So this could take a minute or so, so I'm just going to edit that bit out. So once that has finished, it should open automatically. Now you need to create an account. It is free and it's quite straightforward, but I've already got an account, so I'm just going to go to login. And that's me in. So I'm just going to maximize the window. Now before doing anything else, I'm going to go to Start, and this time we're going to go to Settings, and then we're going to go to Network and Internet. Then we're going to scroll down to Mobile Hotspot, and the first thing we're going to do is enable hotspot. And just below here you can see the hotspot details. Now if you want to, you can change that by going to edit. I'm just going to leave the default name, but I've changed the password to something very easy, and then we're going to click on save. Alright, so I'm just going to back out. So we're going to make sure Wi-Fi is enabled as well as mobile hotspot. So I'm going to head back to network connections. So this connection we don't really need to pay attention to. Local area connection 10 is the name of my mobile hotspot. Now if we go back to network and internet and disable mobile hotspot and enable it, you can see which one is your mobile hotspot, so do make a note of that. Alright, so we're going to go back into TunnelBear. Then on the top we're going to click on that down arrow and then select United States. So this shouldn't take too long to connect. Okay, we are connected. So I'm going to go back into the network connections, and let me just bring that window to how it was before. So we have a new connection here called WinTun. So we're going to right click that, then go to properties, then go to the sharing tab. Now if this is unchecked, make sure you check it. And then we're going to click on here and then find your mobile hotspot connection, select it, and then click on OK. If you get this message, select yes, and we are done on the Windows side. So we're going to start setting up the ONN 4K Pro again, selecting United States, and then we're going to select the setup with TV instead. And here is the desktop or the laptop connection, and I've got my basic password, which was also shown on the laptop. The connection has been made. Alright, as you can see, we did get further, so I'm just going to skip this login information here, and I'm going to put in my password. Now most likely you're going to get a message that it has sent a code over because it has detected you are logging in from USA. So make sure you have a device that is already signed in so you can use the code to sign in. Alright, so I'm just going to skip all the setup in the beginning and then go to Google TV, and here we are. Pay attention to the home screen as that will change when I actually connect to my local Wi-Fi connection. So what I'm going to do now is go into settings and then go to network and internet, and once again you can see that I am connected to my laptop. So I'm just going to go into system, then about, and we can see the version that my ONN 4K Pro is on right now, which is the latest at the time of making this video. So now I have connected to my home Wi-Fi without any VPN, and here you can see the home page has changed as well as the other categories down below. So once again I'm going to go back into settings, then to network and internet, and here you can see my local Wi-Fi connection name here, and the ONN 4K Pro is working as you can see. So we can do a little quick test. So I'm just going to go into, say, YouTube, and then launch a video.
Our son. Scenario 1.
And as you can see, the video is playing fine. So yeah, that is it. This pretty much does it for this video. This is basically how you get the ONN 4K or any of the ONN series devices to work outside of the United States. Now, if you have found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. Thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.